Okay, thanks. So we want enough oil to lubricate. A few bruises, which are what type of contraindication? Yeah, partial, partially restricted or local.
So she would have had to mention that on her.
I don't know whether everybody always knows how many bruises they've got,
you're
especially on the back of their neck.
Yeah.
Their leg. Their leg.
Yeah.
And I think also it's a good idea to say when people have bruises so they know it's not you.
Yeah.
So, if they go hard and somebody says, oh, you're covered in bruises,
Yeah.
you've already pointed it out. And they can't turn around and say, I was black and blue.
That massage woman.
Massage woman.
Yeah.
Okay, so well lubricated. I'm going to start hand over hand, nice wide stance, body weight into the thigh, come underneath with a foot cuddle. So this is the adding the polish to your technique. If you bring it under the leg, it feels so much better than if you skim the top when you come back. There's the pressure for you, Iona.
Great, thanks.
And a nice foot cuddle each time. It means that you get marks for covering the whole leg. So now I'm going to do inside calf. What muscle's this?
That's
Soleus.
Gastrocnemius with the soleus underneath. Attaching to the heel with
Achilles.
Achilles tendon. Very good. So I'm coming up the outside now. And effleurage back. What lymph node do we have at the back of the knee? Popliteal. So I'm going to sweep up and friction the back of the knee. It's a bit puffy.
Most people didn't like that when I did them.
Why?
You just said it felt really odd.
It's clearing the lymph nodes at the back of the knee, which sometimes you can get a blockage in. So then we're going to push anything we've shifted further up into the leg. And then we're going to come up and back down the inside. So up to the towel and back. Up with pressure and lightly back. And change hands, so we're coming up and back. And the last one's going to come up and sweep in to bring you into kneading. So we're kneading from the top down to the knee. So what muscles do we have here?
Adductor.
The adductors. Adductor what?
That's what I was just trying to come up with.
What they call properly.
Adductus wasn't there three?
So there's three lengths. They're about length.
Longus.
Longus. What's the short called?
Brevis.
Short muscle is brevis.
And intermedialis or
And magnus.
magnum.
So say that. Adductor longus.
Adductor longus.
Adductor brevis.
Brevis.
And adductor magnus.
Adductor magnum.
And what other muscles do we have here? The twangy one that's like a guitar string.
Because the bicep more.
No.
That's a hamstring. Let's just do these adductors.
Gracilla.
Gracilis, yes. Well done. Say that, gracilis.
Gracilla.
Yeah, that's coming right up here.
Horses have that.
Yeah. It's your groin straining muscle. So then we're going to roll So what are your hamstrings?
Biceps femoris.
Biceps femoris, very good. Say that. Biceps femoris.
Femoris.
Semi
Tendinosus.
tendinosus and
Membranous.
semimembranosus.
I
So
don't,
come
I
on,
don't know
quick.
which one's which.
That's all right. Say the names. Biceps femoris,
Biceps femoris.
semitendinosus,
Semitendinosus.
semimembranosus.
Semimembranosus.
Again.
Biceps femoris. Semitendinosus and semimembranosus.
Again.
Biceps femoris. Semitendinosus and semimembranosus.
Again.
Biceps femoris.
Semi-tendinosus.
And semimembranosus.
Semimembranosus. What are the adductors called? Adductor magnus,
Brevis.
adductor brevis, and adductor longus,
And gracilis.
and gracilis. Okay, so again we're kneading, so we can try a different type of kneading. You might want to do it that way. Changes the way your body rocks as well each time, so it's up to you what feels most comfortable. So you can either do the bread making kneading, or you can alternate your hands. Which do you prefer?
That second one.
This one?
Yeah.
And then you can do that one, which is almost like a circle, combination of the two. Still the second one?
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to percuss, so we're going to do cupping. And hacking. And beating. And pounding. And kneading to finish. Now, thinking out of the box, I could also decide that I'm going to do some percussion here, especially if we've got a big calf and we think it needs a bit of toning.
And for the test, do we always start at the top and back up again?
It's for
each
coverage.
stroke?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
What about this one? What's this called?
Oh no,
I
that's
don't know.
didn't do that. What vibration? Yeah. on the
Vibrations.
stomach, isn't it?
We did that on the stomach a
Stomach.
tiny
We
bit,
did.
anyway, yeah.
But it's a big muscle, so we can finish with that.
Okay.
So it's about adding things where appropriate.
Okay.
And then finish
Yeah.
with effleurage. So it's also about learning a routine, but then adapting it to the needs of your client.